Guys, second collecting of the sap.
Yep.
What's going on today?
Well, we had a bunch of rain last night, and the day before we had a lot of rain that night, and now we have master flooding of creek.
Major flooding. Where we used to walk to go over to the other tree is totally underwater. So we've got some massive flooding going on. So we'll get this, try to stay dry and get this. And how much was in that one, Elise?
I think this is like almost a gallon.
Almost a gallon, okay.
This one's half gallon.
Put that one back on there real nice and tight. Nice job.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know how to put the top back on? Okay. Center it right in the center. Nice.
Done.
Okay, we're gonna head over to the, grab that bucket. We're gonna head over to the next one, okay? Those on tight?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, they're not straight. Can you straighten them? Okay. Okay, here we go. We're gonna have to stay up the hill unless we want to get wet. Okay, what do we got? A big one and a smaller one?
One in like 3/4.
Wow.
Here again.
Almost 2 gallons.
Yeah. And it was like the same last time, which is good. Yeah.
Twist it a little bit, they're tight. There you go. Okay, be careful, don't spill that sap in the bucket.
Yeah.
Chase likes taking the tops off.
Yeah, 'cause I cannot.
Must be a little easier for him.
I can't do it with them. So I'll just take them off, because I know they're just gonna fall off with me doing it. Wait, watch out. Oh.
Everything's underwater. Ridiculous. Not really.
That is the most happy person's office. Full bucket.
Full bucket, full 5 gallons, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, get those back.
About 9.
Can you make sure that's on there right?
Yeah, it is.
Can you center the bag so we don't get rainwater in there? There we go. Down goes Frazier.
That'd be like, okay, goodbye.
Risking our lives for maple syrup sap during a pandemic.
That was easier to miss. Yeah, why was it?
Okay, we all good?
Oh, yeah.
You want me to carry that
Sure.
bucket up?
Yeah.
Who's ready to boil today? Let's do it. I know. Well, it's going to take all day, so all you got to do is start the fire and we'll let it boil, okay? We'll be back. Okay, we're going to use that small sieve to get out some of the major impurities, pieces of bark and things like that before we start our boil. We're gonna boil one on our grill and one on our turkey fryer, just to kind of speed the process up. Rainy, crappy day, good day to be doing this. So let's get started. Get this fire going. And we got to get this other one going too. Open her up. Give her some fire. We're going to center that pot. We got this pot centered over here. And it's time to start getting the water out of the sugar. We've had this boiling for a while now. And what happens is you get some impurities that rise to the top. There's a name for that white stuff. It's just, right now it's foamy, but you're supposed to take that out of there every so often. There's not much there now, but I was just going to try doing it here. So we'll try that for the first time and see what happens here. No, there's definitely some stuff in there. I think I'll wait next time before there's a lot more before I do that though. There's just not a whole lot. Okay, well this one's definitely more powerful than my stove, my grill stove. So we're gonna ladle some of the hot into the hotter because this is definitely reducing quicker. So it is important, from what I've read, to not add cold sap into this boiling hot sap. You want to keep your boil going. And it's continuing to boil. This is barely boiling. And my other one is at a rolling boil. And this sap I'm adding is not even taking the rolling boil away. So that's good. The idea for today is to get this at least reduced all to one pot. And then you can actually let it cool, keep it in the refrigerator once it's cool, and then boil the rest off another day. At least that's my plan, and I have not read anywhere to the contrary that would not be okay to do. So we've been boiling for a little over 2 hours now. And if you wonder, I'm also working on my brush on. I'm changing blades and fixing where the rotor's on. So it's supposed to start raining here pretty soon, so this is just a good day to be doing something like this. I hope it turns out okay. The kids do love real maple syrup. We buy it for the pancakes and waffles and everything. So it'd be kind of cool for them to eat some that was homemade and taken right off our property. So that's about filled back up to where it started when I started boiling. So we'll let that reduce some more, and then we'll get hopefully get the rest of that into there. Okay, we've been boiling for probably 4.5 hours, and been cleaning this and this, and I think it's time to get it all into one bucket here. Once again, we've got some hot stuff going right into hot stuff to keep our boil going. This is getting to be a really yellow, kind of golden color here. This one not as much. It's not quite as concentrated. It's still clear. But amazingly enough, this is boiling down. I don't know, maybe it's going to work. We'll see. We'll get all this transferred. Okay, I got that transferred over. We are down to one pot boiling. Like I said, it's been somewhere between 4.5 and 5 hours of boiling here. Once we get that down to less than half, yeah, probably a quarter, I will take it inside and probably finish this on the stove. We'll see. But just keep it at a rolling boil. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit yellow or brownish. It's starting to condense, getting rid of all that water off the sugar maple sap. So This is the setup, making it happen. And first time ever doing this, so just kind of wondering if it's actually gonna work out, see how it's gonna taste. Good day for it. Have an enjoyable time. Kids think it's cool, so Quarantine 2020 continues.